My name is Cindy Phillips. I am the lead teacher of the Academy of Finance at North Miami Senior High School, and I'm also the general manager of Esports at North Miami Senior High School. The esports environment at our school is fantastic. On our first day, our initial meeting, we had 109 students show up, which was a little overwhelming. So what I decided to do was to have different days for each sport. The kids actually did a lot of the groundwork because they knew how to set up the brackets, they knew how to organize it, and that's what we did. We set up brackets. The kids played in a more organized fashion. They didn't just come in and play. It was the idea of playing as a sport. So in terms of career exploration, which is a big thing, we have a tournament organizer, which is a young lady. She doesn't actually play any of the sports, but she comes in and she helps organize any of our tournaments. She's with our players, and she didn't realize that there was a career that she can have in sports that didn't involve her playing. Another career opportunity that we found out about was like shoutcasting, because we weren't sure what that was. Well, I didn't know. The students did know. And when we went to a tournament, they were able to practice. So there was another career opportunity open to them. I have a young man that he works on all the equipment. So the idea of being the tech in the club is also a career that is explored. So the gaming part is there, but they realize all of the different aspects of the game that go with it.